It's over, baby. It's gone, baby. It's gone. What's gone, but we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on going forward, because that's where we are going. That's where Monty thinks I'm cuckoo. Okay, today's video is all about having fun. It's all about having, and what other place? No. Okay, we're having a good time. We're gonna have it's makeup. I want to do a makeup using this other palette that I bought. I bought the blue one and this black one, and this is written dark smoky eyeshadow. So I'm wearing everything black today that I am, No, okay, it's gone. It's gone, baby. But let's do some eye makeup. I want to try this palette. I don't want to go too hard, so we're going to try this Chit Chat, and that's going to be it. Right over there. But the thing is, I can't use that. Okay, because I can't use that 10 times because I can't see anything. So we're going to start off with this palette today. The colors are amazing. Look at that. Oh, I don't know which color I'm going to choose. Which color? I think I'm going to go for the golds because since I'm wearing black, yeah, I think gold will look very, very pretty. Let's try to put on some golds. I got all my brushes here. Look at this little bucket. Isn't this bucket cute? It is so cute and all around. It's the dollar store. It's so cute. It's not even $1. Put all your brushes and all that. I have about 3 or 4 of them, or 5 or 6 or 7. I have a lot of them. So let's get started, and we are starting. Okay, I love this brush. Okay, but we're gonna do this one. I love this brush. I don't know if, oh, I have a tip. I have a great tip. Okay, this healer. This came in this little palette here. It's the little brush, and they have that little sponge here. But what I did is I washed this little brush. I just wet it. It's totally wet. And then I grabbed my concealer, which is not a liquid concealer because I can't put liquid concealers under my eyes. It's this one. It's a creamy one. You see, it's a creamy concealer. What I did is I just did, you see, and this, and this, and then I applied, I have a freckle here. I'll show you. See, I have a freckle here. The freckle is gone. But what worked, this was wet. Good tip, huh? That was a great tip. Okay, let's go to the eyeshadows because today it's all about fun. Let's have fun and talk. I can have some fun. I'm using this one because I think it's pretty cool. And I have the mirror. I found out that I have the mirror. So let's get started. I'm confused. So many colors, but we're experimenting. Let's experiment and use the gold one. I might even stick with just one. Let's see, and let's see how this goes. I guess it's gonna work. Let's see. I prefer to do it like this so you can see. Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. I'm telling you, this palette is amazing. This palette is so great. I loved it. I really did. Okay, so I have a plan to challenge. It's not a, oh, look at the, oh, do you see that? I loved it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let's add a little bit more. So I have this challenge that I would like to do with another YouTuber to collab. It would be great if it would be a young YouTuber, younger than me, please. Depends on a very young YouTuber. So let's go for the second color. The second color, I will add it to my crease and put gold. Let's go for maybe a chocolatey or pink or a lighter. It's confusing. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know why, or this one, or this one. Let's go for this one, a taupe color. Yeah, let's go for a taupe one because I think it's gonna look pretty cool. So the challenge would be that this young girl, oh my God, look at that. But I think it looks pretty cool. So I use the gold and I use the taupe. I like it. I really do. I have this plan because I want to show you that makeup can, oh, look at that. No, I'm not going to tell you the plan. So who's ever up to a challenge with me, and yeah, you got to be younger than me. I'm not going to tell you, but you got to be younger than me. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I am loving this. This palette is really amazing. My eyelids is my eyes as well, the brown, the dark brown. I'm even going to put a little bit darker here just to something different to happen. So this one is a pretty dark one. This palette, what happened was so crazy. I just went to the drugstore. Beautiful oval brushes, and I ended up finding this palette. I've never seen it before, and as you know, I'm in Canada. I'm not in the US. I'm not sure if this is a palette that is from here. But it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Now let's blend a little bit. I am blend just a little bit. I don't know if I should blend it too much because I am loving it. Look at that. It's so pretty. I never thought I would find something so different. So I'm gonna do I don't know if I should put something else. You know what? I'm going to try something very different. And I'm going to use that tiny little, I'm going to put this one. Look, I'm going to put this one. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, this one right over here. You see this pinkish one? I'm going to put it over here. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, it does make a little difference. It's so pretty. How about under here? Let's try under here. Oh, I really like it. You see, makeup, it's all about having fun. We have so much going on with us with this monetization thing. So we should be allowed to have some fun and have fun with this palette, because it's a beautiful palette that I really liked it. So I will do I'm going to do the pencil, the mascara, and I'll be right back. I really love this look. I really loved it. I finished everything, and what I'm enjoying, I'm really loving is my fan. I got the mama fan, the papa fan, as you can call it, and where's the other one? I hope Monty didn't eat it. Monty's crazy about my stuff, but this was, you see, I love it. I just love it. It's Equal Tools. I love it. So what I'm doing now for the blush, you see here? I know my face is tiny, but this is working so well for me. I am mixing two blushes, like I said before. The one that I love, I need to get a new one, and the ombre. I'm mixing these two together to get this look. So it's amazing. This one I use just like just to give it a little shadow and something like that. But anyway, so the tips for today were the eye palette that I am loving. I used this color and color. So these were the colors that I used. We'll swatch them for you. Yeah, these were the colors that I used. Aren't they gorgeous? They are beautiful. So this palette was a must. I am loving this palette. I'm obsessed with it. If you're in Canada, you got to go buy it. But I mean, I don't know if they sell it in the States, but it's amazing. you. But, so the tip of the day was the star, the little brush, if you wet it and if you apply your concealer, it's not going to crease. Do you see any creases here? Do you see any creases? There are no creases. And eyeshadow, beautiful. And you see a little wing here going on, just a tiny little wing, tiny little wing. This wing, I'm only using the pencil underneath like this. Don't go on top like everybody does, like here, and you do the wing like that, because I can't do it. It doesn't work for my eyes. My eyes are not young eyes, so it doesn't work. I'm not going to keep on doing something that doesn't work. What I do is I go underneath like this, and choo, you see, you got a wing. You can even fly. So, you know, it's all about chatting. It's all about having fun. We're going through like if you're a small YouTuber just like me, we're going through all these upsetting stuff, but let's not get upset. Let's have fun and enjoy more makeup. And I do this challenge of this makeup because I think it's going to be so cool. See if it works. So what I really wanted to challenge is Haley Louise. Haley Louise, if you watch this video, email me because, yeah, I want to do. Anyways, yeah. Fan, no fan, money, no money, with money, no money. I don't like to talk about money. So fan, I have to find my other fan because I'm afraid my little boy grabbed my fan. And yeah, Monty's a little menace and Monty's a little bit upset, but I gotta try to find his fan.